Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a cat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, today I wanted to bring a video of these apartments in RUAI. They are 2 bedrooms and I wanted to show you an empty house apartment of RUAI. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, it has 2 windows. It has 2 windows, no 3. 2 are small and 1 is quite huge. And the room is quite spacious. This is me outside. And this is the room. And then, right here where the kitchen and the sitting room are, has this very beautiful, I would say, space for parking. You can store your stuff there if you want, and then place some flowers over there and there. And then here you can place some seats when you want to eat food or take your drinks if you don't want to be in the kitchen. So let's go into the kitchen. It has this huge door, and then the switches are quite modern. I would say these are modern, not the kawaida switches. So you get in, and the doors are quite heavy. All this is the kitchen. It's quite spacious, I would say, because all this is space. So I'm guessing you place your fridge right there. And then, so right here is where you place your cooker. And then you have this with these drawers. This is how the drawers look like. There are 3, and then some place to place your stuff or cook, like working space. And then there is that entire place has 2 sinks, more storage, has that space as well. And then you get these cabinets, and again you get those cabinets.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
This wall separating them right there. So let's go into the second bedroom. So when you enter the door, this is the door. You can unlock for privacy. So facing the door, you get that space for storing whatever you have, maybe bags, or in place some flowers. And then right at the corner you have this mirror, same as the one outside, and a sink. And then you get into the bedroom space. So here you have all this space, and then a window right there. And then overlooking the window is another house right there, but there is that wall to separate the two areas, the perimeter wall. And then that's the space. So here, so these are almost the same as the other room. There's that, and there's this. And then there is, no, the other room doesn't have this place, but this one does have. And then you have this cabinet right there, and another storage space, and this together with this. So this one is a bit bigger than the other one, but I think the room space is almost the same. And then you get these golden sockets right there and right here. So the bed faces that window, and then you have your two cabinets. And then if you want to connect them to the chargers, because most beds come with two side cabinets. So let me also show you, there are 4 houses in this compound. Let me quickly show you the others where they are. They are not complete, not quite yet, at least, for maybe about a month. Just outside, there is this other house right here. They have this place separating the entire, the two houses. There is this and this in this floor, and there are other 2 upstairs. So for this is what you get. Same details, same 3 windows, same kitchen, same first bedroom, same master bedroom, same toilets. And
living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
for any empty house tour, or even in my previous house, even the house I'm in right now, I haven't done any of that. But these are my dad's apartments, and I wanted to show you what you get if you happen to want a house in RUAI or this place. So we've come to the end of the video. If you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below if you love these apartments. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye.